The Netherlands has a long track record in developing a highly performing dairy industry. Most dairy farms in the Netherlands are family-owned businesses. With the help of modern technology, they are able to run their farm efficiently and increase production. One farmer, 100 cows, 1 million liters per year. To maintain their success, the Dutch dairy industry has developed a chain approach. Starting from selecting breed, animal feed, and milking method to farm management and distribution. The importance of choosing the right breed. Milk production varies between dairy cow breeds. Knowing the breed characteristics will help you decide if a certain breed will fit your needs. The importance of choosing the right feed. A balanced feed is a source of essential nutrients required for body maintenance, growth, and milk production. The importance of choosing the right insights. It is vital to understand how individual cows are performing. Data collection and analysis with user-friendly software help in getting these insights. The importance of choosing the right tools. It is crucial to select the right milk processing equipment in order to make products such as butter, yogurt, or cheese. The impact cluster brings the chain approach on optimizing results, which will reduce costs and enable an additional value to dairy products